Coming up on the premiere of You Got a Story.
What's your story?
I wondered if this day would ever come.
Yeah, well, it just happened.
We're going to interview. I think I've got just one. I pull a name out of a hat.
We're coming at you.
And the journey takes me and a small crew to northern Utah.
Great to meet you. I'm going to put down this gear.
I feel robbed, and I wonder what it would be like.
Where we find the story of a woman dealing with unimaginable loss.
I'm not on the other side of it. I'm not okay.
What she's done to cope on the premiere of You Got a Story, Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Watch on Facebook, YouTube, and YouGotAstory.com.